Afternoon guys, it's Ali from Brownlows in Darlington. We have another new stock arrived this afternoon. It's a Peugeot Rifter. Now this is a 3-seater van, professionally modified for wheelchair access. So let me show you the van inside. Like I said, it's been professionally modified for wheelchair access and it's very easy to operate. It has got an electric winch as well to pull the wheelchair from the floor, and it's easy to fold it back in as well. The van has got just 3 seats and sensors. It only has 12,700 miles on the clock. It's priced at $12,995, no VAT. Rarely get a modified wheelchair access vans. Luckily, we managed to acquire 7 of these in different models. And we don't get these very often, and every time when we get them we sell them straight away. So if you're looking for one of these, please do give us a ring on 01325 484870 or visit our website brownlowscars.co.uk.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Horton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.